It's possible to order orchids from bulb companies. They sell them as tubers or corms, and they can be sent at the same time of year as you would receive your spring or summer bulbs for planting. I ordered mine from K. Burgundian and Sons, which is dutchbulbs.com. I've ordered from them in the past, but made the mistake of planting my bulbs in the ground because I lived in zone 6A, and they did not overwinter well and died. So this time I ordered some, and I'm going to put them in pots, and I'm going to let them go dormant in the winter. All right. I have bought bulbs from Van Burgundian, also dutchbulbs.com. And they waited to ship. They had to get warm enough to plant them. I am not going to plant these outside. I'm going to plant them inside. And I bought myself 2 packages of Bletilla striata. So it's right here. We can't even see them because they're in shavings. So let's see, I should have another one. Here's 2 of them. So there's supposed to be 1 of each type in here. They're supposed to be, let me see. Oh, they don't say here. Well, they were supposed to be like 1 pink, 1 white, and 1 like purple Bletilla. But obviously I'm going to have to bloom them because it just says mixture of various colors. Seems kind of like, but 3 bulbs in a container, seems kind of like a cheat. That they don't send them individually so you know what they are. You just have to like throw them in the ground and see what comes up. And shaky, 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 shaky. So, Bletilla's like little corms. So here's one corm. Here's one that's attached to it. And you can tell it's just sort of starting out. So these go dormant in the winter. Bletilla striata, the Chinese Hardy Ground Orchid. And then here's the 3rd one. They're all covered in shavings. Can't even see this one because there's so much shaving on it. So there are my corms. These are actually nice sized corms. Actually, I bought other Bletilla and the corms are smaller. This looks like it's already starting a little bit. So I'm assuming the other bag looks the same. I don't want to get wood shavings all over my floor. So I'm going to bloom these out and hopefully they sent me 1 of each color or I'm going to be really ticked off. Number 1 size bulb.